Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to check out materials from the Curriculum Support Center, specifically Title VI materials. If you're not sure where to start, you can go to the KBBSD website. Under Departments, click on Curriculum Support Center and click here to enter the catalog. This will bring you to the Alexandria Researcher page for the Curriculum Support Center. It should look the same as your school's library page. You'll click on Search. And if you're looking for Title VI materials specifically, you can type in Title VI in the search window using letters, not numbers. And this will bring up all of the Title VI materials available to you to check out. When you find the resource that you're looking for, you can click on the orange arrow and you'll see this calendar icon. That is what you're going to click on to reserve the materials. When you click on that, it will ask you to log in. If you don't have a login already, please email me at lhallam@kpbsd.k12.ak.us and I can set up an account for you. Once you log in, you'll be able to place a reservation. You can select the number of copies, and then you can choose the amount of days that you would like to reserve this material for and the month that you would like to reserve it in. Once you select the number of days, it will show you the days that are available. And then once you select which days you prefer, click Reserve. And you should receive this success message here. That will notify me to pull those materials for you and put them on the next truck to your school. If you have any questions, you can always email me, and you can find my email on that same CSC page on the district website. Thank you and enjoy the materials.